We are a specialist roofing company with a focus on roof restoration, replacement roofs and roof repairs within the Sydney region. We work with a wide range of roof types including colourbond, metal, slate and roof tiles. With over 20 years of industry experience, we pride ourselves on our professionalism and the quality of our workmanship. We offer customised, affordable solutions to meet each client's individual needs and ensure that all projects are delivered on time and within budget. Contact us today to organise a free quote and find out for yourself why we are considered one of Sydney's leaders in roof restoration.